Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about string comparison function in C programming. The string comparison function compares two strings. If strings are equal, the function returns a value of 0. If the strings are not equal, the function returns a value of either less than 0 or greater than 0. The function compares strings one character at a time. So let's see a simple example. We need to include string.h, and in our main function we have constant car pointer s1 to be hello world, and we have another constant car pointer s2 with the same value, hello world. And now we are going to use the if condition with the string compare function and pass in our string s1 and s2, and if they are equal it should be 0, and then we are going to print the message strings are equal. Else we are going to print the strings are not equal. Now we can run our code and we get this: the strings are equal. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.